In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar with Notion for student life. We're going to start right inside Notion. Make sure you're logged into your workspace and you're on the main screen where you can see your pages on the left-hand side. From here, we'll head to the place where all the ready-made layouts live, the Marketplace. Look towards the sidebar or the navigation options and click on Marketplace. This is Notion's built-in library of templates. Templates are pre-designed pages and systems that you can add to your own workspace, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Using the Marketplace is a big time saver, especially for students who just want to get organized quickly. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and type in Student Calendar. Take a moment to make sure you've spelled it correctly, then wait for the results to load. Notion will now show you a list of templates that match what you search for, all focused on helping students manage classes, assignments, and schedules. When the search results appear, browse through them until you find a student calendar template that fits what you're looking for. You'll usually see a title, a short description, and sometimes a preview image. Look for something that clearly mentions student planning or a calendar layout designed around courses and tasks. Once you've found the template you like, click on it to select it. After selecting the template, you'll be taken to its main page in the Marketplace. Before you add it to your workspace, it's helpful to see what it actually looks like. Find and click on the Preview button. This opens a full preview of the template, showing the calendar, any linked databases, and example entries. Take a few moments to scroll through. Imagine how you'd use it, where you'd put exams, project deadlines, readings, or class schedules. If it looks like it will work for your student life, you're ready to bring it into your own Notion. Now, in the preview view, look for the Add button. This is usually clearly visible near the top of the page. Click on Add. Notion will create a copy of this template directly in your workspace. Once it's added, you can rename it, move it into a folder or section for school, and start customizing the calendar with your own classes, tasks, and events. From here on, it becomes your central hub to stay organized throughout the semester.